Okay. I don't know if this works. What? Oh, it does show. Oh my god. Inception. Maybe it's not best to watch myself. And I don't have a device. Oh, I do have a phone I can test to see the stream. I'm not connected to the internet. How do I do this? Okay. Okay, settings. Network. Okay, connecting to the internet. I kind of want to move this. I don't even know how to stream, to be honest. I need to shave. I look rough. To be honest. This isn't. Oh no. I keep pressing the wrong button. There we go. Is that better? Low key. And then the middle is right here. Do I mirror this? Here's the front cam. How do I... Oh, can I see the internet? Okay, now I can check the stream. Back online. Let's see. Oh, shoot, someone's watching. Yeah, I want to make an app and just like really quick. And I just wanted to, I don't know, I kind of want to make it easier to record. So I feel like if I can stream it and then just like cut it up into pieces, that would be pretty cool. Like I think T3 chat do that. Not T3 chat, or the Theo guy, and I think that's a pretty smart way to go about it, because I can I can build something, and then like it's pretty mundane, like there's not like a lot going on when I'm programming, but I don't know, I think it'd be fun. I don't know. Sick. Alright. I have no clue how this works, so if anyone's watching this, you can kind of get off this, because there's nothing going on. I'm just like trying to figure this out, because I have no clue what's going on. I've never done this. Like, I am completely lost. I'm trying to just figure out how to stream correctly, because I have no clue. Thanks for watching, though. It's course. IT course, bruh. I said your name wrong. I'm sorry. I don't know how to. And this is not even my house either. I don't even have a house, to be honest. I don't even know where to stand, bro. What the heck am I doing? This is my sister-in-law's like office, so she has like a bunch of these. So they're not mine. They're not mine. Okay. Sick. Well, so IT course. You know what I was thinking? I was thinking. So there's a new AI model that just came out called Gemma 4, and from Google, and I just tried it with React Native, and give me 1 second. The air is on. I can't. It's hard to hear. All right. The coding warrior. What the? David Evans. What's up, man? That's sick. Dude, I have no clue what's going on, dude. I'm just recording. I'm in LA. I'm from Nebraska, and I just wanted to record something. Oh yeah. So what I was saying is, Gemma 4 came out, and I literally just ran a quick app. I had actually, you know what? I can actually show you guys if you want to see. Bruh. Dude, I have no clue what is going on, bro. What am I doing? Okay, there you go. Oh, bro. Okay, how do I... Scene 1? Oh, sick. Okay, I have what am I doing, bro? What am I doing? Oh, I'm in the bottom right. Sick. Okay. I gotta crop myself. That's sick. There we go. Okay, I have no clue what I'm doing, so just bear with me. I kind of okay, let me show you. Let me see if I can get the app running. But what screen is recording, bro? This is the stream. I'll have it up here. Okay. Let's see. All right. Is this it? This is not it. Okay. Why I'm in LA. I'm in LA just because I just wanted to come. I think Nebraska, I guess where I'm at, it's pretty isolated. Like it's I'm in the middle of nowhere is what I'm trying to say. And my brother, he has like a house out here, and it's like right next to downtown, so I can just like be in downtown within like 5 minutes, and it's just nice to be around here. I'm cat sitting too, to be honest. So oh yeah, back to this. All right, let's see. Oh, sick. You know what I also got running? I saw someone do on X like a progressive blur, and I made it. I got it working on React Native, so you can kind of see the progressive blur here. It's kind of sick. I don't know if you see that. I thought it was really cool. Okay. All right. Let me see. Well, let me get the project open. What I wanted to show you. Yeah, Gemma Lab. This is gonna be so cool. Okay. So I'm gonna do cd Gemma Lab clear and run dev. Hopefully I have my simulator. Dude, if it starts lagging, I have a simulator running, I have a stream going, I have my server running. Oh shoot. My laptop's gonna explode. Let me see. Do I have it open? No, I don't. Oh no, this is not good. I don't know if I can build it because I don't know if the stream is gonna start just dying. I'll try it though. Might as well. I have nothing to lose. Okay, I'll do run. Actually, let me see. Run, free build. Okay. Yo, Ed, what's up, man? Dude, I'm literally just like I just wanted to turn on streaming because I was like, why not? I was gonna show. Can I get gifted? I was just gonna show the Gemma with the tool calling and then the image recognition. I don't know if I can do it like on the simulator. My phone is recording, but it'd be kind of sick if I get it working here. But I don't know how to stream my phone. And all right, we're gonna see if my computer explodes right now. Run iOS device. Run iOS. Are you kidding me? Run iOS. There it is. All right, bro. All right. If we blow up, we blow up. Dude, on Twitch? Ed earlier, I guess we have 4 people watching, but Ed earlier posted, let me bring this up real quick. Check this out. Let me pull this up real quick. Do you think bro has a shot at this? Look at this. Look at this. Give it a sec. Wait. Look at this. It said, to Sabrina Carpenter. Do you frick with guys that have a package with 1.3K stars and 9K weekly installs? And yeah. You got Steph Curry. This is like a little meme review, you know? I don't know. I think he has a shot. Like, why wouldn't you, you know? Oh, bro. Oh, yeah, and I also said to Olivia Rodrigo, if I have 300 stars on Convex I have 300 stars on the Convex with Expo Starter, so maybe. Dude, my computer is like on fire right now. You can see it running the build in the background. Dude, Ed, you're gonna see this, bro. Ed, you're gonna see this, and hopefully my laptop doesn't blow up. But Gemma 4 working on React Native. So you can snap a picture, and I was trying it earlier, and it can like transcribe. I guess it tells you what's on the screen or like what you took a picture of. I tried it with tool calling, and I tried it with just normal like chat completion, and what was the last one? Voice recognition, or like where you like speak to it and it transcribes, and that's not working yet. But I was kind of looking at the actual llama.rn package, and they're a little behind right now, so I'm kind of just like, you know, monitoring the situation to see if it works. Ed, I don't know if you're still in here, bro, but dude, my laptop is on fire. What do you mean, damn, bro? What do you mean? It's kind of cool. It's kind of funny. Look at the. So Ed and I both got the same phone. We ordered the Pixel. What is this? Pixel 8. So this is the green one, and this is for debugging. The reason why we got the Pixel 8, I was talking to GPT, and I think the Pixel 8, from what I remember, the Pixel 8 has 7 years of warranty, or like not warranty, like updates. Oh, sick! It's open. Okay, it has like 7 years of updates. So I think all the way until 2030, you get all the security updates. So we'll have like the latest version of Android for a while. You do have to spend a little bit more because Ed wanted to grab he wanted to get the version, the V7, and I think you run out of like updates after I think next year. I think that's when it dude, you can hear the fans? That's so funny. Dude, okay. Do you think it's a meme? Okay, you ready for this? Dude, okay, wait. I don't think you're ready for this. I hope this works. I got it work on my phone, but not on here. Okay. Alright, you ready for this? Alright, check this out, guys. For the 4 viewers. I actually thought I was nobody's gonna be watching me, honestly. I just wanted to see what it was like. Okay. So, here is Gemma for the 2 billion parameter model. And yeah, I don't have like good, I just had the agent build most of it, so. I'm gonna download the model. So this is the first step. So you gotta give, oh my God. So I'm streaming and downloading the model and I have a simulator open. Dude, if my phone or if my computer blows up right now, oh my God. It's kind of scary. Okay, give it a sec. Hey Ed, if you're still in here, check this out. Heck yeah. You like that? It's not my room. It's my sister-in-law's. Okay. Alright. It's downloaded. I started the model. Multi-model. Let me double check. Refresh. You gotta give it a second. Right now it's loading. Load model. And the model's loaded. Okay. Okay, dude. Well, you can go to the bathroom, bro. What do you mean? No, it crashed. No way, it crashed. What happened? Errors found. Well, yeah, there are some. They're fixing a bunch of bugs, but let's see. I'll reopen it. I don't care. All right, we'll rush through this, I guess. Okay. 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 So we'll run the agent. Okay, I'm just gonna run it with plain completion. So this is just like asking, like, hey, what's up, right? So it's running, and the response should be. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's sick. You see that, bro? Let's go. Do you see the final response here? So I can do get verified distance conversion. So if I run this, check this. Give it a sec. You see that? Look at that token completion. Bruh. Okay. And I had this running on my actual device. This is not the cool part. Like most local AI models can do this. Now, look, check agent with tools. I gave it like a function that it can run. What time is it on the device right now? It's running. It's running. Okay, well maybe not. Maybe not on this device, but on my phone it was working. So I ran another one. How much RAM is it using? Give me a sec. Yeah, you see that? Look at the conversion. Let me show you. Oh, yeah. Hey, it does work directly on phone. That's why I'm saying it's like it's really cool. Like I'm thinking a bunch of apps I can make with having the local model that can do image recognition, voice recognition, and then can also do like chat completion and then tools. I think that's so cool. Like think about all the apps we can make with that. Okay, so let me do image understanding. Bruh, I'm gonna put this. I don't know if my pictures are gonna show. So let me open up my thing. It's gonna show all my pictures. Give me a sec. Pick from library. Okay, let me sign into my simulator here. That's why I have it away from the actual stream real quick. Bruh, how do I... Give me a sec. I gotta sign into my phone, my simulator. Make sure you can't see this. Yeah, you can. Okay. Dude, what am I hiding? Dude, my password, dude. Oh. I don't understand what you just said, IT course, that very last one. Okay, sign in. Okay, I'm in. Let me see. Let me go back into the actual. Bro. Alright, let me open it back up. Okay, give me a sec. Let me see. Oh, sick, it's loading. I hope I don't have any embarrassing pictures. All right. Oh, no, you're good. The translator, you said? Maybe just pick this one. All right. Oh, but it's .heic, so it won't work. Yeah. It has to be JPEG. I think you can convert it, but I just haven't really done it yet. But it works. I on my phone, I took a picture, and for some reason I don't understand, but when you actually select pictures from your photo library, it's .heic, but when I take a picture, it's actually JPEG format, which is kind of interesting. Oh, that'd be cool to make like to video. Do you understand, or what language were you speaking? IT. Let me. I want to get this working. Let me see. I can actually just, dude. I'm gonna have an agent run it. Oh, okay. Tajik? Is that how you say it? Sick. Okay. Just want to see. My pictures aren't loading. Let me see what format this is. Also, They're all .hic, HEIC. Give me a second. Let me see. I'm just trying to find one image that's not. You know what? Actually, no. If I find a screenshot, it might be JPEG. I'm like scrolling through my pictures. That's why I'm doing this. Screenshot. Let me see. Oh, bro. Yeah, but this stream isn't like, I'm more just experimenting. I just wanted to see what it was like. I can maybe stream something a little bit more planned. This is just like I'm just vibing, you know. Oh, I found a screenshot. Let me see. I'm sorry, this might be a little boring right now. I'm literally just scrolling through pictures. This one's a screenshot. Oh yeah, this might work actually. Found it. Okay, I found a screenshot. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, here's a PNG. And the prompt is, what is shown in this image? Call out notable objects, text, and context. So I don't know if PNG is the right format. I forget. In the docs, it kind of has different formats that it can use. And I'm kind of scared to press run vision prompt, but we're gonna have to do it here in a sec. I'm kind of just thinking, okay, yeah. So this image is like a screenshot. Like I kind of liked like the gradient here, and it was kind of like not blurred, but like what is the word for that? Like grainy. It's kind of grainy. I thought that was a cool prompt. Like if I was to make something, so I'm gonna run it. So let's see what happens. Okay, ready? Bruh, I'm actually kind of scared to press this. Please. No. Damn it, maybe not PNG. I have to go through the docs. And it's still pretty experimental. But like I said, I had it working on my actual device, and it was really cool. Like, and I wish I could show you my device, but I'm recording on it, so. It would be kind of cool to test it on a Android though, but I think my laptop would blow up too. So, you know what? I could try it. Why not? I've been actually kind of meaning to test it on a Android, and actually I don't know why I have something to stream my Android because I just got it. So let me see. I gotta find what the name of it was. What's the name of it? I don't know if did I use Brew? I don't know if it's like an app here. Checking Brew. Okay, give me a sec. This might be kind of cool to test though. If we run, if we get Gemma for working on the Android, and then I can actually show you the actual model. I haven't tested the model on an Android either, so it'd be kind of cool. All right, give me a sec. I'm looking through my chats with GPT. Oh, I found it. Okay. It's this command here, bro. Why is technology like this? Any apps on the App Store? I have one that I sunset. I have one that I'm working with Ed on, which is Kiro, and then I have like a bunch of like web apps that I've made. I kind of wish I've had more apps on the App Store, but it's also kind of inconvenient. By inconvenient, I mean like going through the whole process. I think running through web is so much easier. Like I just deploy on Vercel or Cloudflare, and everything just works. And then for React Native or anything that's native, there's so many more loopholes that you have to go through. I just like, but that's why I'm also recording, because I just want to just deploy more, and I think this kind of gives me the incentive to just like make something, you know. Bro. I know, David, you're from X, right? I remember seeing your GitHub repository, I think. Good job, dude. I think open source is just so good for just making or just like reusing stuff. I mean, that's basically just programming in general. Everybody just reusing something. Just a bunch of layers of code. Oh, you're not on X really? You're not on X often? Are you working anywhere right now? Okay. I think I just run this command here. Please? Bruh, are you kidding me? Device cannot be connected. State off equal to offline. What do you mean? You know what? Also, I think on OBS, I can mask my camera so it has like a corner radius. So let me try that actually. I might be griefing myself too. Okay, no, I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Oh, wrong one. Oh. What am I doing? Full front cam, this one, okay. So I need to go into this one. Dude, this UI on the chat for... Oh, you work at Morgan Stanley in finance? That's sick. That's sick, dude. How are you liking that? I guess it's kind of hard to ask you a question. kind of came to that conclusion right now. What can I ask you? That's kind of short. I don't know. I guess, are you... Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna ask. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna say good job for just programming too. Programming and finance. That's crazy. That's super cool. Did you go to school for that, David? I'm trying to figure this out because it's not letting me record on. Okay. I'm thinking because it's not working, so we're just connecting. Okay, let me see what GPT says about this. Okay, go to developer options. Oh, that's right. I gotta plug in and then say yes on the phone. Yeah, there it is. Okay, now it should work. Sick. Oh, this. Yo. You see this? Okay, wait. Where is it at? Oh, here it is. Oh, let's go, bro. Okay, you can see my device. Okay. I don't even know if I have a chat anymore. I don't know how this works, bro. What am I doing? Give me a sec. Okay, I guess we can start the build. It's probably gonna start lagging again, but that's just how it goes. Run Android. Oh, how is that gonna work? I'm streaming and then it's gonna download through here. This might take a minute. The reason we have to do a dev build is because I'm using I don't even know if I have a chat anymore, actually. Bro, I don't know how to... Okay, I can figure this out. I'm stressing myself out for no reason. Okay, I can figure this out. I'm stressing myself out. I'm gonna mute my stream here. Oh, 4 years. Wow, you studied for 4... I think that was the question. Kyle? Hey, how's it going, man? I'm trying to figure this out, so this is not like a really good stream. This is just me testing this out. So, Kyle Verdone? Hey, dude. Dude, React Native, it's really fun. It's a lot of heartache with dev builds, and I don't know what to tell you besides I wish I learned more native. I think that's I don't regret anything, but I think learning a little bit more native when it's like native modules. I don't know C++. So for like the bindings that people make, I think like Nitro modules, which lets you connect native code, so Swift and Kotlin to the to React Native, and then it has like the bridge. I don't really know how all that works. Really, I just kind of use like the packages. I would say just learn a little bit of native, honestly. I mean, the AI is really good at it. I don't think people really learn from AI, so I think it's a good starting blocker, honestly. But I appreciate it, man. Are you gonna hear my fans? Okay, so look at the UI on this, right? I don't know if I like. I'm not an Android hater, but I don't think a lot of the actual like chat apps are that amazing. Like, you kind of see how they're trying to like mimic like liquid class. I don't think that's the method I think most apps should go. Any packages you recommend for audio recordings? Packages? Oh yeah. Audio recordings. Do you mean like you recording audio, and then or are you talking about like audio playback? I'm guessing you recording audio. There's this one. Let me bring it up actually. Bro, what is going on? You're gonna hear my fans. Let me chill out. I'm not gonna touch my laptop. I'm gonna let it build real quick. Give me a second. I was gonna show you, what's it called? The package that I've kind of had my eyes on for recording. Give me a sec. There you go. That's better. I wonder if light. Does light work? I don't like the light. I don't want to buy another laptop either. I have an M2 with 32 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of storage. Okay. Gemma's up. Okay, wait, what? Yeah, dictation, but also for saving audio files and play them back, for example, Apple voicemails. Okay. Yeah, so let me bring this up, actually. I'll give you two. Of course, I'm going to recommend always the Expo ones. Or Expo SDK. I guess you already know, maybe you already know what I'm going to suggest. But, let's see. And I said but really loudly. What? I'm sorry, I'm kind of like second guessing everything I'm saying. Okay. Expo Audio. Of course, this is made by Expo, so it's going to be made pretty well. Like, it's always going to be updated. I think that's always probably the way to go. But I've had my eyes on a lot of Nitro modules, so a lot of like closer to source packages with Nitro modules. So let me show you. I think it's Nitro Audio, something like that. Let me see, React Native. Is it this one? Yeah, this one, yeah. You should try this one out. React Native Nitro module for audio recorder and player with the Nitro module. So one thing I've noticed when I use like a Nitro module or like just a basic native module, you kind of have like a split second of like lag between like when you do a recording, and I've noticed that the Expo one sometimes for some reason it just like lags like a little bit longer, and maybe they fixed it, but I made my own native module for like my use case. So on X, let me see if I can bring it up. Let me sec. I have, yeah, this one. This one. I kind of worked with the agent to make my own Nitro, my own Nitro package, I guess. And basically what mine does is it persists the audio session so that when you come back into the app, every time you record, it stops your music playback because it it's just like the native API that has it streams, right? Like it can have two streams, so it kind of interrupts one, so then you hear like a little flicker of sound where like it just like cuts out your music and then goes back, and it's really annoying if you're doing like a bunch of recording like back to back to back, or like if you're listening to music. So I made this one. It's not open source because it's really ugly code, but it persists the session when you leave the app, and the Expo one doesn't do that. But if it's just like a simple app, I think just go ahead and use the Expo one, or like I said, use the Nitro sound. I kind of just went on a tangent too, so my bad. Okay, so let's try Gemma 4 on an actual device. Okay, you guys see what I'm seeing, right? So I'm gonna download the model. Bruh. It doesn't work. I wonder if it's because I'm streaming S2 with the same key. Unload. Delete model. Delete model. Yeah, that's frustrating. Download interrupted. That is interesting. Let me disconnect from my stream here. A streaming connections, I guess. Let me disconnect from my laptop. Yeah, so for Nitro, it's super neat, not super niche. Like if you need maximum performance for a React Native, or go ahead and use it. But if you're gonna ship like an MVP for something, just use the Expo one. And if you start seeing a lot of issues, then spend time with the Nitro modules, because you're gonna spend so much time trying to figure it out. Because you're gonna. So let me explain the headaches I've had with Nitro modules. When I was making some of my Nitro modules with Health Kit, or with the one I showed you with the audio, it actually, the amount of times I had to do rebuilds, so like what we just saw there was where I was building the actual app, I had to do it like 50 times, and like imagine waiting every single time for it to build. Yeah, it's a little frustrating, so it's not something I recommend to always do. I guess you can do whatever you want, you know. Oh yeah, I was gonna try on my device here. Oh shoot, it's working, it's downloading. Wait. It's downloading. Okay, hold up. Okay, I think I need to rebuild this app, and because it says it failed to load Gemma 4 GPU 2048 CTX. So I wonder if it needs to be a smaller model, a 2B. This is 2B. Interesting. Well, I'm sorry if I can't show you. I at least showed you the streaming on my simulator, I guess. And I guess my images weren't working either. Hey, take care, man. I appreciate you for being on the stream. This wasn't really planned. I just wanted to test streaming. So I appreciate you, man. All right. I guess we have 2 people watching. Yeah, I don't know why Android's not working. Let me see what it says. Let me see what okay, let's see, Claude. Let's do 4.6. We have the Gemma 4 on Android. It says failed to load Gemma 4 GPU 2048 CTX failed to load model CPU 2048 CTX 1024. And I saw that they were doing like a lot of like updates. So I want to see what, maybe it looks into the actual docs while I kind of keep trying. All right. I think I'm just gonna stream for like a little bit longer. It's just kind of this is more just me testing, so it won't be really entertaining if anyone's still watching. I guess we have 2 viewers. I gotta set up my border, so I'm gonna do that right now while this runs. And I guess we do have 2 people watching. Like, what do you want to see? I mean, is there something you'd be like this is cool? I was actually, you know what? I was gonna make. I don't know who's watching, and then maybe if nobody's watching, but I'll just keep talking. So, Expo reached out, and they said, they gave me early access to the agent. I was like one of the first 6 people to have access to the agent, and they told me to make something, and I actually made an app with the Expo agent that is a running app, and it works. And I wanted to make a short because I don't think anyone like in React Native makes shorts. I guess they do, but I want to do it like outside, not like inside. And I want to actually use the app. I guess that's just how I am. I want to just do what I want to do, you know? Oh yeah, I'm trying to figure out the camera. Add scene? No, that's not it. How do I do this? Filters, that's what it is. Filters. I think I add a crop. No. Mask, yes. I mask. Browse. Mask 4. Open. Oh. Huh. Well. How do I do this? It's kind of cool that I guess Ed was in here. IT course. David. Kyle. Super cool. I'm grateful. I don't know how to do this, bro. I'm trying to figure out you guys can, I guess whoever's watching can watch me kind of fail at this right now. Let's see, how do I might need to go into Figma and make me a new mask. Let's see, filters. I don't know why I'm this color. Oh, bruh. How do I take off the color? I want to remove this. Delete. Delete. Remove. Yes. Okay, now we're back to normal. Alright, path. Mask 4. Okay, so the mask doesn't work. Okay, let me go to Figma. I guess I can just stream what I'm doing. Let's see. I want to kind of open messages too real quick. Oops. I'm texting Ed right now. I'm gonna say, oh wow, Kyle, you have you have a site with 10K paying members. Wow, 10K paying members. And finally leaning in on AI to give them an app. Wow. Dude, that's sick. What the heck? Wow, that's super cool. I'm really curious to see what you're doing. Or like what the app is. I just love like reviewing apps, low key. If you want me to review it, I'd be down. Not saying I'm like the best person to review the app, but I think that would be cool. Oh, dude, the mask, does it work? Kinda. It's kind of cropped. Okay. Yeah, Kyle, tell me, you can DM me too if you ever want me to just review it. That'd be super cool. I honestly, like, I need just like, I kind of want to stream, I guess, kind of to keep me accountable. So, and also, Kyle, I promise you're not missing out on anything. I'm just kind of testing this out right now. Okay, so how do I maybe drafts? No, I gotta go into my recents. Okay, let's see. Let's make a new mask. Is the stream quality bad? I'm looking at the stream right now. It doesn't look that bad. It's at least 1080. I guess that's enough. Oh, I should probably keep the stream open. Dude, I'm such a noob. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. I'm basically just working on, I just need a mask. That's all I need. Let's see. I just need a mask. Here it is. I think this one was the one that was working. Okay. Now let's go back to OBS. Let's try to apply the mask. Okay, if anyone's watching this, I promise you nothing entertaining is going on. I'm just trying to set up my stream, and I want to be streaming while doing it because just why not, you know? I kind of want to push my computer. All right, let's see. So the front cam, I need to apply a mask. Filters. All right. Frame, please. Let's go. We got it. And then I guess it doesn't really matter here. Oh wow. And then this corner to corner, bruh, okay. This corner to corner. And then in the center. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Mm, 12 px, that's fine. No, but it kind of doesn't look right. Like right there. Right there. Nice. Okay. Okay, nice. I guess we kind of have something going on here. I don't know if I like the border radius on this though. Let me do more, like right here. I think there's a mode to make it like squircle too. I wonder. 100%. Yeah, there is. I'm gonna try it. Export. Frame. I'll just name it frame. Let's see. Filters. Browse. Frame. Oh, did it work? I think it did. Let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I'm okay with that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Gonna have to watch this. Bruh. Okay. Now, I have like a phone stand. It's not really a stand. It's. There we go. That's it. Is that better? I kind of need distance though. Okay. All right. Okay. And if anyone's watching this, I'm not really doing too much. I'm kind of just fixing my stream. I'm just trying to figure out how to stream, you know? Oh, Sick. We can test it. Android. I don't know why I wrote or you know what? I guess we have at least 2 people watching. I guess we can try the Gemma 4 real quick, see if it works. Do I need to make a new build? Maybe. No, that's a local file. ProGuard rule to llama native class. Yeah, I have to make a new build. Okay. Okay, let's try a new build. Let's see if we can get a new run pre-build Android. Let me close out of this. Okay. Run Android. Oh, gotta plug in the phone. Well, I hope whoever's watching, you guys have a good day. It's a pretty it's Monday, so come on. Okay, let's see. Allow. All right, and then let's get this build running. Por favor. All right, Pixel 8. If this works, this is gonna be really cool. I wonder what. Should I make this smaller? Like that? Like right here? Right there. Okay. All right, we got the build running. How do I delete my previous stream? It's just me. I want to delete that, Loki. I don't know why I said Loki. Oh, sick. It's running. Okay. Let me download the model, see if it works. So I am here. I have the new build running for Gemma 4. Let's see. Hey, I appreciate it, Kyle. I appreciate that you watched it. I mean, I guess there's nothing really much going on. I'm kind of just talking, you know, and just figuring out how to stream. Okay, so let me download the model. Oh, it is downloaded. Okay. Yeah, I keep getting so when I try to run Gemma 4 on the Android right now, I'm getting failed to load Gemma 4, local agent failed. So it's downloaded. I need to load the model, but it's not working. Yeah, I guess I can't really show a lot of it. Oh, bro, you need premium to DM someone? Really? I didn't even know that. Um, can you reply to a post of mine? Right. I don't get a lot of notifications, so I'll see it. Reply to, I guess, anything. I'll get the notification. Let's see. Let me check my chat, my messages for checking requests. Yeah, I don't see anything. Oh, maybe I see settings actually. Oh, there we go. Allow message requests from everyone. Maybe I can turn it on. I just don't want to get spammed by bots. You can message me now. I turned it on. Let me make sure I press save. Okay, there's no save button. You should be able to DM me what you're building. I gotta figure out the Gemma 4 problem. Okay. Okay. I don't know what else I wanted to show on the stream here. I got the dimensions for the camera. Okay. I got the terminal running. My laptop doesn't blow up. I guess that's all you really want, right? You don't really need a lot to stream. I just have my phone and my laptop. I have a pretty good laptop too, so. Okay. Man, I really don't know how to go about this. Because I wanted to show Gemma 4. What else actually did I want to go through? Let me check my Notion. Oh, my run app. That's from the Expo agent. I guess I can go through that another day. All right. Well, I'm gonna call it here. For streaming, my laptop is on fire. Okay. Let me see. All right. I think we're good. I appreciate whoever watched this because this was just a test stream. My hair is really weird. This is just a test stream because I just want to see what it's like to just record on the go. Like I'm literally just on my laptop and I'm recording from my phone. So there's nothing really special really going on. Just going over just cool stuff I want to see, I guess, or cool stuff I'm doing or I'm gonna do. So I really appreciate whoever watched. I actually wasn't expecting anybody to watch, honestly. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, I guess I can end the stream. Take care, whoever's watching still. All right, see ya.